Hello and welcome to my channel. In our new tutorial today on how to convert a vector to raster or to an image inside Adobe Illustrator. That means there's no need for me to export as JPEG, PSD, TIFF, PNG, or whatever. If I have a specific design or shape that I want to turn into an image for certain uses within the document in Adobe Illustrator, I can do it directly. This method works for any older version of Illustrator as well. Alright, let's take a look together. Here I have these cute balloon vectors. Okay, as we can see, they're made up of pieces that I can make bigger or smaller, zooming in as much as I want. The image stays clear, no problem at all. The vector is very sharp, of course, as we all know. Now I select what I want to work on, or what I want to rasterize, okay. Now I go to Object here, as we can see, which is rasterize. I click on it, and now it gives me options for resolution, color mode, whether the background should be white or transparent, or, a lot of options. I can set it to RGB, or here we also have grayscale or bitmap. So I can also convert it to grayscale, which is great. Of course, it gave me the color mode based on my document. My document here is RGB, so it kept it as RGB. Here I have the resolution, and I can set and choose it based on the clarity I want. I can even increase it to more than 300. I can choose screen, medium, or whatever is required of you, or whatever you think is suitable for your artwork. Okay, now I just selected transparent and medium 150. Now I click OK. I wait a bit, depending on the resolution I set or chose. So the higher the resolution, the more time it takes to rasterize. Okay, now as we can see, it converted it into an image. Now it's pixels, squares, just like we see. Alright, and it's fine. I can just undo and it will go back to how it was before as a vector. Here, I was here. Now it's a transparent image, and now I'll just undo. It brings it back for me, and I can also perform again or redo the action if I want to, or if I choose to, at any time. Alright, that was our explanation today on how to convert a vector to raster or an image inside Illustrator without having to export as JPEG, PSD, TIFF, or PNG. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a great day.